Hi everyone, welcome back to RCS Weather Channel once again. January 3rd, 2025, Ontario, Canada. Parts of southern Ontario are still under snow squall warnings, with some regions seeing up to 80 centimeters of snow. As Environment Canada's snow squall warnings persisted into Friday, up to 80 centimeters of snowfall in some areas of southern Ontario on Thursday. Environment Canada reports that Manilla and Beaveron townships east lake of Simcoe saw more than 60 centimeters of snowfall accumulate Friday morning. At the same time, the areas surrounding Horseshoe Valley, north of Barrie, and west of Orillia were most hit with reports of 70 to 80 centimeters of snowfall. According to the Weather Service, the lake affects snow of Lake Huron and Georgian Bay will continue before strengthening again in intensity through the day Saturday. Barrie, Orillia, and Collingwood are predicted to receive an extra 20 to 40 centimeters of snowfall by Saturday morning. That means today's morning. In a separate warning sent Friday morning, Environment Canada said snowfall amounts of 60 centimeters are possible by Saturday evening, with higher amounts possible if snow squall lock over one area. The towns that are located directly east of Lake Huron include Kincardine, North Perth, and Hanover. Canadian Postal Service post on Twitter Friday morning that deliveries in Orillia, Elmvale, Oro-Medonte, and Phelpston will resume once conditions improve, and it's safe to do so due to the snow. The areas surrounding Kitchener, Stratford, and London may receive up to 35 centimeters of snow. However, Environment Canada stated that it is unclear exactly where these snow squall will set up at this time. Wind gusts of up to 60 km per hour might produce blowing snow conditions, which could drastically impair visibility. One of the local person says to this, early on Friday, saw that the roads were becoming increasingly white. He drove from Ajax to her home, Beaverton, a community located just east of Lake Simcoe. All my Canada subscribers, be safe. Thank you for watching this video.